Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I'm Simon and this is Bret.
Oh, and it's Ray. Guess what?
He's got a headache.
No.
What about now?
But now he's got a concussion.
Fair play.
It's waving.
Do you know what we're doing today?
He's got a
We're doing
for you.
something we haven't done for a long time on this channel, and that is we're going to have a race to see who can build some Lego the fastest.
Not you.
Well, I beat you on the last lot. There's some that we actually filmed, but because they were so long, the bits were too big, it would have took me hours to upload it, because our internet's kind of been slowed down a lot for a while. So we're going to try this set and see who can build fastest. So the rules are...
We're using stickers, if there are any.
Oh, are we?
Yes.
Oh, what a pain in the backside.
Not really.
But anyway, we're apparently doing stickers. You cannot take any parts away from the other person to slow them down.
Right.
And it's just whoever's built quickest is the winner, right? No name. I would have said no jump starting and opening the box, but
I didn't open the
right,
box.
after 3, 1, 2, 3, let's get on with it. Right, how many bags you got? 2 bags. Ooh, some of that nice fluorescent coloured Lego. Right, I'll do my normal thing. I'll empty it all into the box.
Put the box there.
That way I can find it all. Here we go then.
Okay, so I need to pass them.
If we do look like we're sweating a bit, it's because it's got that special time of year called summer, which means it's a bit hot.
I'm going to reach over this way.
And everybody complains.
Like you.
I love the weather, to be honest. Everybody spends the winter going, oh, I wish it'd stop raining and get a bit warmer, and then as soon as it's warmer they go, blimey, it's too hot. Right, here we go, I'm cooking with gas.
And I've opened one bag and missed a piece.
If I was doing that, this video would be expensive, wouldn't it? Right,
I'll just get rid of this bit. Don't need that bit.
Here's his torch. I'm ahead of you by one whole person. What are you hitting me with your elbows for?
I didn't. You hit yourself.
You'll take off if you keep doing that. Right, here we go. Here we are. So let us know in the comments, who do you think's going to win?
Not you.
And do you want to see us do more of this kind of stuff? And what kind of thing that we do you like us doing? Let us know. We'd like to hear from you. And while you're at it, if you would subscribe to the channel, because it's 100% free to do. Some people are out there saying that they wish actually it wasn't called subscribing, because it makes it sound like you've got to pay for it when you don't. It's completely free.
Hang on.
Oh, wait a minute, there is no stickers.
Oh, wait a minute, now a piece. Oh no.
Oh, that's handy.
How dare you.
I wish I had that on a build I did the other day. I did the James Bond Speed Champions Aston Martin, and that was one thing I wish that you didn't have to do with stickers on that, because if you get it just slightly wrong it ruins the whole thing.
And how can you tell
What?
they messes it up entirely?
Because like some people don't get them straight and they don't go on right and they crease and all sorts of things. No, I think I didn't do too badly on it. La da da da, la da da da. How you getting on, Bret?
I'm ahead of you. Don't look.
You're ahead of me,
down.
are you?
Hang on, where's that piece?
1960s had a lot of that.
Hey.
The 1960s had a lot of that. Everybody went around saying peace.
That was terrible.
I know.
Should we get a joke?
Sometimes.
Simple answer was yes.
Da da do, la da do.
We're going to lose.
La da do. Who's gonna lose?
You.
I'm getting out actually. Right, I can't bear it. I'm gonna have to put a fan on for a bit.
That's terrible.
What?
You can't bear it.
Have you ever been bitten by a police officer?
Bit
Have you ever been bitten by a police officer?
of a strange statement, isn't it?
Well, they like donuts, don't they?
That sounds like you.
And you are a bit of a donut.
Still you.
Oh no. I think they forgot to put a piece in here.
Good.
Oh, hang on. That's one of them. Where's the other one? Here we go. I could go and get a cup of tea while I'm waiting for you to catch up, couldn't I?
Go on then. Also, what's ring?
Hey?
Have you actually looked what I've done? I'm on almost the same page as you. No, where's that piece? I'm a piece short. There it is.
Here we go. Wait. Right, I need 2 of these. I'll get these out ready because it looks like we've got to use them on the next page. And I need 1 of these. So, turn over. And you now go there and there and there. The only downside about this not being done with stickers and it being printed, but it's not a big thing, is sometimes with police cars they look pretty decent, like nice and sporty. So if you want to use them as a normal car, you just don't put the stickers on. Whereas this, you'd have to buy a whole new block to swap it. Of course you would.
You see the 2 bits that say police?
You turn them round.
You figured it now, haven't you?
Shut up.
What page are you on now?
This one.
That's very cryptic.
Oh, everything's falling over. What's going on?
Maybe we could pull that a bit more. Might delay a bit more.
Here we go.
I think you dropped a bit. Well, the best part is, since you're slightly delayed, I'm catching up. Which side's this going? Oh, sorry. There. That's alright, is it?
What?
Yes.
What do you mean? No, you go lower. Oh, what, do you not look at the pictures?
That picture's inaccurate.
No, it's not. 2 of these. You go
Oh, it is.
there and there.
Moves this half a bit down.
And now him. I need you. What we could have done was with your mum doing a bit of commentary, innit? She could have been going, and Simon's in the lead because Bret's not.
That's good reasoning.
I know.
Well, that must have taken me 2 hours to come up with that bit of phrasing. You're in the lead because I'm not. What a revolutionary phrase.
I know, with that kind of thing I could work for the BBC. I thought of something, but I don't know if I can say it.
Trust you.
Well, I was just thinking, I could replace Gary Lineker, really. Couldn't I?
Would that be the end of the world?
No, but you think about it, right? He only has to work a bit, talk a load of rubbish. Well, I could talk a load of rubbish.
I'll take me, you do.
No, I talk brilliantly. I'd be worth more money than him.
Somehow I have doubts.
Right, here we go. How are you getting on?
I'm ahead.
Thought you was a whole person, but if you're just ahead. Wait, have you nicked my bit?
No.
Oh no, it's see-through, not white. Looks like white.
Should have gone Specsavers really, shouldn't you?
Nah, they come to you now.
Hey.
They got a mobile service apparently. I don't know, I've never seen it.
There you go then.
Right.
Okay.
A windscreen.
Well, this is a tiring situation.
So you go there.
Oh wait.
Oh, there's a few bits in there. Right, I got one question in a minute.
And that is?
Well, I am on the home straight.
No, you are not.
So the question is, will he win? Win?
Win.
Win? What's that I'm saying? Will he win?
Who's Will?
Oh, hang on. I win! Woohoo! Bears all
How dare
round.
you?
Well,
Now.
I beat you.
But I'm nearly done.
No,
Yes.
no. You're miles away.
No, I'm not. I'm on page 38.
That's 34, you dingbat.
But don't you see the page down the bottom? 38.
Oh yeah.
Someone should have gone to Specsavers then.
Well, no, it's got a big 34 there. So it's part 34 on page 38. Still miles behind.
No, that's you.
Yeah, look, while you're still messing about, I'm playing with my little brum brum. Brum brum, beep beep.
Well, I don't like that. Take away the entire part.
See that? This is something that bugged me about the build I did the other day. On here, the steering wheel is in line with the driver, but the one I did the other day, the steering wheel was slightly to the side, and that really irritated me.
You get irritated too easily, don't you?
No. It's just that nobody drives like that. And if you do, well, you're probably the passenger, so leave the wheel alone. Ah. Sit back a bit, mate. Sit
There,
back a bit.
you've disabled it.
I ain't, I just put a driver in.
I'm now ahead of you again.
I've won.
No, you haven't. You took
I
it
have,
apart
look.
for a second.
But it's back together now and you ain't even got 4 wheels on.
No, I have one.
No, you've lost.
Can we just have a uni car?
A what?
We have a unicycle. Why can't you have a unicar?
Well, that'd be rubbish.
And now we put the engine on. Just take apart that bit.
That was against the rules. Said no interfering with other people's builds. So you
Now.
lost, I won. Did you enjoy yourself?
And here's how you drive this thing. There you go.
Was it a good build?
Yes.
I actually do like this guy. I think it's quite good.
Even better when you take that bit off.
Get off, you dodo brain.
There you go. I now win.
Actually, if you did what those two things, take that off and turn the police signs around, it actually does look like a pretty good sports car. I actually do really like that. I like these modern Lego builds now. I think some of them are quite good. There's some really quite cool cars out there. And I like this fluorescent yellow they've got. Anyway.
That back colour's a bit weird.
What?
This bit.
What bit?
I like that bit more if it's smooth.
Yeah, but you could smooth that out. You could buy some blocks.
Yeah, but that bit's a special bit.
But anyway, what do you think? Do you like more modern Lego? Did you like seeing us race and me beating him again?
No, you didn't.
I did.
You didn't. You had to put the light on when I finished.
Tit. Anyway, if you want to see some more of this, let us know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, it's free to do, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Alright. Wait, where's Super gone?
I threw him away.
How dare you?
He reminded me of Super Ted, so I threw him away like a piece of rubbish.
And here's the police.
And he's never coming back.
Oh no, that'd be you. You'll be fired. Hey! Revenge.
I feel ganged up on. Right.
You've only got barely scratched.
Well, I can't bear it anymore.
How dare you join in his puns?